What's up, guys? It's a phenomenal fan, and my sister is over there. Her face looks a bit sad. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you she's watching Justin's house, my sister. I'm going to show you my 5 fidget spinners. So I'm going to start by put my camera there. And my fidget spinners go there. My first one is my white one, and then now my next one is this one. This is my favourite one. It's got 6 sides on it. 6.
5.
My sister says 5, so I'll say 5. So, okay. So, it makes a really loud noise on the floor, and it's hard to do it on your finger because it's so small. I've never tried this one. So next one is my Barcelona. It's Barcelona colours with the Barcelona sign in the middle. So we're going to get this out of its box. Oh God, we're going to get these out of its box. And then we're going to spin it on the floor first. And it makes a weird kind of noise. And my sister's got one of these Barcelona ones. And then I'm going to do the finger tricks, guys. Up like that and down. I'm going to do that. My next one is I got this on my holiday as well, my 3-sider fidget spinner. It's good, isn't it, guys? Look how weird it is to spin. Ready? On the floor. It's weird. And it's really small, isn't it, guys? Oh, look! Guys, this side is the one where it's got a lump on it, and I did the finger trick, so... My last fidget spin I'm going to show for you guys is my second longest fidget spinner I've had is my green, so I'll just spin on the floor first. Oh God, and then I'll do my finger trick on this side, and then that one. So guys, that was all my fidget spinners. Please, if you like, comment, like and subscribe. And that's it from Phenomenal Fan. See you, phenomenal ones.